Hi everyone, I've got a great opportunity here today on New Lane in Eccles to show you this fantastic 2-bedroom terrace property which is coming to the market chain free. So this property has 2 spacious reception rooms, with this being our bay fronted lounge to the front. Nice high ceilings and very spacious rooms throughout. And then leading through to our second reception room, which could be used as a dining room as well. So it is a great family home or perfect first time buy and an opportunity to get onto the property ladder. And then we've got an extra reception room here as well with spotlights and patio doors leading to our low maintenance rear garden. And completing the ground floor, we have this fantastic modern fitted kitchen. Nice and private, not overlooked at the back. Lots of space in here as well, storage and worktop space as well. And again, we can see we've got space here to the back for a big freestanding fridge freezer. And then our big patio doors into our low maintenance garden, which as you can see here is decked and paved and also has gates, gated rear access to the back there. So to our first floor we have a large 4-piece bathroom suite, 2 double bedrooms, and the property also benefits from a loft which is used as a sleeping space or could also be used for storage. So this is our fantastic 4-piece bathroom, all gas central heated and double glazed throughout, and again coming to the market with us chain free. So we've got a nice modern 4-piece large fitted bathroom in there, and then we have the first of our bedrooms here, which is used currently as the master. You can see we've got lots of storage there as well, large double bed, and again all storage around this side there, wardrobes, large landing. We've got some storage underneath the stairs there as well. And then coming through to our second double bedroom on the first floor. Property is situated over 3 floors, comes to the market chain free, situated on New Lane, which is a popular residential part of Eccles, close to lots of local transport linked amenities, lots of shops nearby. Got Winton Village and the Trafford Centre, which isn't too far away, local parks and local schools as well, making this a fantastic first time buy or family house. So this is our loft room. So we've got 3 Velux windows there, bringing in lots of natural light. Some deep storage here to this side. And again, we've got stair access up here as well. So this is currently used as a sleeping space. Could be used as an office or as storage. If you would like to arrange a viewing of this fantastic property, please call our office on 061 707 4900.